Hey guys, it's Boss Patty. How are you? Welcome to MPAI Labs. Hope you're doing well. It's Sunday. This is the day that I curate a lot of stuff. We're gonna be in a lot of different tools. First one is Hailuo. I have a hard time saying that. Piclumen. I have two large language model open, ChatGPT or CT, and then LMARENA, and then I also have FlexClip open too, and then Whisk. Sorry about that. But it's Sunday. I have to like dive into a lot of different content creating. So I want to share my screen and it's kind of cold. Hope everybody is staying warm. All right. So the first thing we're going to go to is Hailuo AI videos. There should be a link below, so don't forget about that. We're actually going to be playing with the agent today. So here's the home, here's the agent, and we're going to be playing with that. I've been playing with this and I actually like this. I think I'll do more tutorial later on, but I'm also going to possibly play with Piclumen. And of course, I have Whisk going on because I like to check different things out. And then we're going to come to FlexClip, okay? That's where you can do your editing. And then I have LMARENA over here, which I also like, but I like to compare that to, CT. So we're going to actually go back to here, Hawa, when you come down to the agent, okay? Sorry, home, agent. Here in the middle, you can create a 1 minute product intro video if you want to, or you can actually do auto, you can cut here, but it's amazing. So I have different projects. I'm going to tell you a couple things, okay? Tip. This one right here was not bad, but for some reason it did not track pretty well, okay? But maybe there might be a glitch or something, but it does do still pretty well, okay? What I did was I went to CT and I asked to give me a prompt, and I'm going to play with I decided I want a fake, colorful cyberpunk soda drink. It's going to call MP Light soda. So we're going to check this out, copy this. Technically, Hawa can actually make it, but I want to see what, LMARENA is going to give me. So I'll put it there, and then I'll give me two, and then I'll come here to Piclumen, and I want to see what it's going to give me. So I basically, remember, went to CT, got my prompt from there, and let's see how well they want. That is not that's actually pretty good. I like that. So I'll download that. Okay. So it's here. Let's see what. Okay, this is not bad. Not bad. Not bad. So we're gonna go with Piclumen. Okay. Now we can come back to Hawa. Okay. You can actually just drop and drag. Yeah, drop and drag. Yeah. Was it drag and drop? Yeah. Basically, you can drag it to drop it. There we go. Now that your image, I know I get so confused. I must be really exhausted. Now you want to describe your video, okay? Which I've already had that prompt. So I'm going to come here, copy this, go back here, and I'm just going to paste it here. And it's going to actually read it. This agent is pretty well, so it's creating right down here. If there's any issues or anything like that, this agent is going to tell you. Okay. Now, while that is going, I'm going to go to Whisk. Okay. And I'm going to actually go back and copy my first prompt to see what Whisk is going to give me. And I come back here. Once you open, okay, I could have just, upload an image, but I don't want to. I want to see what kind of image this gives me, okay? So Whisk is going to give me 2 image, and actually it's not bad. Okay, got this one. I got my MP light here, and then I got my MP light here. I think I like this one better. This is kind of cool because it has like sort of like a cyberpunk going on, but I like this one. Okay, so while the other one is still thinking, let's play with Whisk just a little bit. So you can either refine your image or you can animate. So I'm going to animate. So just click the animate. And I could just tell, but I'm lazy today. So I'm going to go back. Okay. And I'm just going to copy the video, go back to Whisk and paste it in here. Okay. And let's see what type of video it's going to give me. Now let's go back to Hailuo to see it's still generating. So, I'll get this done for you just, for a moment. It tells you what it's doing. So it's generating a video based on the reference image. It's always good to have a reference image. So this is a cyberpunk soda can labeled as MP Light, slowly rotating motion. So it's really good. So you have the neon light trail orbiting it. You got the electric bubble rising inside the glow liquid. Oh, this is really good. I'm telling you, this is, if you use this for your UGC, this is going to be really good. So the camera is supposed to perform a slow push, the reflection, it's very energetic. So it's done. So let's see how this video came out. I like it. Now I could have used like Minimax to add like some music and stuff like that. I really do need to do a tutorial on there. But the video is for 10 seconds, but look how beautiful that is. Now, if I created a drink, I'll be buying this myself, but I like that. So I will be downloading this. So this is wonderful, but I just wanted to show you how this agent inside of Hailuo works. So it's phenomenal. Okay. So let's see what Whisk gave me. So we can go back to Whisk. Okay. Ooh, that's not actually that bad. Okay, I'm going to replay that again. So let's try this again. Sorry about that. See, you got the bubbles going on, which is not bad. They're both really good. I think if I add the music and some additionals to Hailuo, it's going to be great. So this is wonderful. I like that. But now you can actually use both. Okay. Okay, I'll stop right here. And let's go back to here. Let's play this again. Now, I could pull this, go into FlexClip and add my thing, or I'll do the Minimax and I can do like a voiceover, okay? But yeah, I might do that. So I'm going to keep this for later. But I just wanted to let you know, this tool is inside of Hailuo. So it's under Agent, okay? So earlier, I played with a perfume bottle, okay? And, it went through all this. So here's the first video, which is really good. It's very luxury. You got a little mist going on. So it's really great. And then I asked, can I have it, in a different angle? But I forgot to, add an image. So don't forget to always add an image, then, tell the prompt. But when I did that, I did get this L'Oreal, perfume bottle, which is amazing, by the way. I like that. But here's another angle of the first bottle. But look at how the tracking is. It's amazing. It's rotating. You have, the little, a little mist going on. It's beautiful. And it's for 6 seconds, okay? So I took both of these and I went to FlexClip, okay? So you come to FlexClip and you go to template, and then you just figure out what you want, okay? And it's all preloaded, and my final product is right here, and I like it. Here we go. So I just threw that all together, for like 30 seconds. So, you could just like make it your own. But once again, I just wanted to highlight, Hailuo. The agent is phenomenal. So definitely play with it. Don't forget you can do the videos, okay? And then they have the Image Pro, which is amazing. And then the audio, which is the Mini Max, okay? I definitely have to play with that. I got 10,000 credits, so I definitely need to do that. But you can, do different things with this actual AI tool. And of course, it has the Nano Banana Pro Live. So once again, come to Agents and just play with it, okay? It's really good. You can, do a 1-minute product intro video or intro and outro, and it's everything that you need just to create your own brand or for other brands, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you. So once again, stay kind, hydrate. Don't forget to sign up for our Facebook community. It's growing really, really fast. And stay safe, and I will talk to you later. Ajah! Matanay!